In this lesson, we look at negative fractions and where they fall on a number line. We will begin operating with negative fractions after today, but for now, we're just going to place them on a number line. So a little vocab, a rational number. This is any number that can be written as a fraction. These include integers because they can be written as a fraction with 1 as the denominator. Pretty much most numbers you've seen before in math are rational. So for example, the number 2, because it's the same as saying 2 over 1, or negative 2, which is the same as negative 2 over 1. We can write these as fractions. So we're going to place following fractions on a number line. So pretty easy. We're going to stay with the positives here. So the process we go with is to divide up a number, given number line, by the indicated denominator. Excuse me. So we have all 8s, so we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections. All right, so the first one is 1/8, 7/8. We count all the way to the end. And there's the bell. And we have 3/8 right here. It's 3 in. Notice no need to do 8/8 because that's already done. Because 8/8 is 1. So yeah, step 1, divide the number line. And step 2, which I did without uncovering, place them appropriately. So now we're going the other side. We're going negative fractions. And it works the exact same way. Okay, divide the number line by the indicated denominator. So we're in 8s again. We've got 8 sections. Then after that, let me move these over. Can't do that with the pen in my hand. Space here. After that, we place the numbers in the correct spots. So negative 7/8. Now remember, we're counting backwards, okay? So our absolute values get bigger the further from 0. So negative 7/8 is the biggest one. Place it right there. Negative 1/8 is the smallest one. Place it there. And negative 5/8, we just count back from 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5/8 is right there. So let's keep that absolute value concept in mind. As you go further from 0, that's when the values get bigger. So if you want to pause the video in a second and try these on your own, you can. We're going to place these on the number line. We have negative 1/3, negative 2/3. So I'm going to divide it up into thirds. That's a pretty bad job of dividing it. That's a little better. Negative 1/3 is closer to 0. Negative 2/3, it is further from 0. Ooh, now we get a little fun. Notice we've got different denominators. So what we're going to do here, so I get my little recording back. Not sure where it went. So we've got 6, 2, and 3 as our denominators. So what we're going to do, we have to find a common denominator, the least preferred. And we're going to say that denominator is 6. So we're going to divide up into 6 parts. Now, negative 5/6. Well, actually ends up being right there. That was easy. All right, negative 1/2. This actually becomes negative 3/6. So we move that to where there's 3. Negative 1/6, we know it goes there. Negative 1/3 becomes negative 2/6. So we place that right there. This concludes your lesson over negative fractions on a number line.